Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Drift for lead capture automation easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Drift website. Log into your Drift account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, go to the settings menu in the lower left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for the integrations tab and click on it. Scroll down to find lead capture or simply search for it in the search bar. Click on the lead capture option to open its settings. You will see various options related to lead capture automation. To set up a subscription, click on the Add New Subscription button. Fill in the required fields such as name, description, and any tags you want to assign. Next, select the type of lead capture you want to automate. You can choose from options like chat, email, or forms. Configure the specifics for the type you selected. For example, if you chose email, enter the email address and the confirmation message. Set the parameters for when and how leads are captured. You can determine if you want to capture leads from specific pages on your website. Once you have configured all the settings, review your options. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid missing leads. After reviewing, click the Save or Create button at the bottom of the page. Your subscription for lead capture automation is now set up. You can test it by visiting your website and checking if the lead capture works as intended. For further customization, explore additional settings and options available within Drift. Consider setting up notifications to alert you when leads are captured. Monitor your lead capture performance regularly for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.